My name is Otto Depenheuer. I am from Cologne, where I am a professor of public law and the philosophy of law at the university. I was asked by the EMU to think of ways to improve the constitution of Ukraine with an eye to securing the future of the country and to integrating it gradually into the European community. One particularly appealing task is to try to overcome cultural differences in a country that only 25 years ago was part of the Soviet Union in order to integrate it into Europe. Two Maidan revolutions have clearly shown that the Ukraine wants to be part of Europe. Europe is a community of values, where the core values are written in constitutions. The French Revolution formulated requirements quite well. If a state wants to have a constitution, it must guarantee people's fundamental rights and liberties and have a real and effective division of powers. On paper, the situation in Ukraine does not look so bad, but in practice there is still room for improvement. In my work stream, I developed several specific proposals aimed at establishing fundamental rights so that in the future each citizen can sue his state based on fundamental rights he or she is granted in the Constitution. In order for the Constitution to have this integrative effect, the Constitutional Court should become truly independent. This court currently lacks independence and therefore enjoys very little public trust and respect. The same is true of the judiciary as a whole. The situation needs to be radically changed. The goal that I have set for my work is not to reach for the stars, but rather to formulate recommendations that would be practically possible and applicable, so that people could really trust in the constitutional changes that I am suggesting.